Today, we will talk about how to start a sports equipment business. Let's have a look at the details. You've decided to open a sporting goods store. Great. But where to start? There are a number of factors you need to take into consideration when getting your business off the ground, and we'll take you through all of them step by step. The first step is researching and planning. Study the market. Before you can open your own sports goods store, it's important to know what your competition is like and what kind of need there is for another store. Study your surroundings. Besides other businesses, take some time to get a sense of what kinds of sports, hobbies, or activities are already popular or have the potential to become popular in your area. Choose your niche market. Focusing on a niche market will allow you to cover every aspect of a particular sport without having tons of inventory or spreading your resources too thin. Develop a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap for reaching success with your company. Develop some ideas about marketing and how to promote your business. Research store locations and options. Consider opening a store nearby major areas, parks, or places where sports are played. The second step is opening your store. Register your business. After all the research and planning, turn your dreams into a reality by legally registering your business. Stock your inventory. Now that you've decided on your niche market and store location, the next step is to stock your inventory so that you can start selling and turning a profit. Hire employees. Depending on how busy your store is, you might need to hire a staff of employees to help with inventory, customer orders, and sales services. And the third step is growing your business. Establish a strong web presence. Even if you have a physical storefront, having a strong website is vital to your business success. Advertise and promote your store. Once you've opened your doors, the next step is getting people through them. For this, you'll need a good marketing and advertising strategy. Feature unique items. Your best chance of succeeding and growing your business is to set it apart from your competitors and do something better than they can. Expand and diversify. Once your business is up and running, look for other sports-related opportunities for diversification. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.